The Art of Saying No. How to Stand Your Ground, Reclaim Your Time and Energy, and Refuse to be Taken for Granted. By Damon Zahariades, author. Summary. Damon Zahariades wrote The Art of Saying No as a practical guide for people-pleasers, overcommitters, and anyone who feels drained because they can't refuse requests. The core premise: saying no is not selfish. It's self-respect. When you say yes to everything, you say no to your priorities, health, time, and goals. The book is structured as a step-by-step system to go from being a yes person to someone who can set boundaries without guilt. Part 1. Why we struggle to say no. Zahariades starts by diagnosing the problem. Most of us say yes when we mean no because of 5 drivers. 1. Fear of conflict. We worry people will get angry, judge us, or like us less. 2. Fear of missing out. What if this is the opportunity one regrets skipping? 3. Desire to be liked. People-pleasing feels like social currency. 4. Guilt, especially with family, friends, co-workers. If I don't help, I'm a bad person. 5. Lack of clarity. We haven't defined our priorities, so every request feels equally important. He explains the cost: burnout, resentment, missed deadlines, and time debt. Every yes to someone else is a no to yourself. Part 2. The 4 pillars of saying no. This is the framework of the book. Pillar 1. Get clear on your priorities. You can't say no until you know what you're saying yes to. Zahariades asks you to list your top 3 life priorities: health, family, career, business, creative work, etc. Then audit your calendar. If your time doesn't match your priorities, you're living someone else's life. Tool: the priority filter. Before any request, ask, does this align with my top 3? If no, default answer is no. Pillar 2. Understand the types of requests. Not all no's are equal. He breaks requests into 3 categories. 1. One-time favors. Can you help me move Saturday? 2. Ongoing commitments. Can you join this committee for 6 months? 3. Emotional requests. Can you listen to me vent for 2 hours again? Each needs a different no strategy. One-time favors can get a soft no. Ongoing commitments need a firm no with alternatives. Emotional requests need boundary setting. Pillar 3. Master the language of no. This is the bulk of the book. Zahariades gives 25+ scripts so you don't freeze. Key principles. Be direct, not vague. No, I can't beats, maybe, let me check. Don't over-explain. Long excuses invite negotiation. 1-sentence reason is enough. Use the positive no. Say no plus offer alternative. I can't take that project this week, but I can review it next Tuesday. Use the delay then decline. Let me get back to you. Gives you time to decide without pressure. Use no sandwich. Appreciation plus no plus appreciation. I really value you asking me. I can't commit to this right now. Thanks for thinking of me. He also covers tone, body language, and email/text templates. Pillar 4. Handle pushback and guilt. People will push. The book teaches. The broken record. Calmly repeat no without adding new info. Don't jade. Don't justify, argue, defend, explain excessively. Manage guilt. Guilt means you care. But caring doesn't require compliance. Reframe. Saying no now lets me show up better later. Set consequences. If someone keeps disrespecting your no, limit access to your time. Part 3. Saying no in specific situations. Zahariades gives playbooks for 1. At work, boss overload, co-workers dumping tasks, meetings. Script: I'm at capacity with X and Y. Which should I drop to take on Z? 2. With family, guilt trips, holiday obligations. Script: I love you and I won't be able to host this year, but I'd love to come for dinner. 3. With friends, last-minute plans, favors. Script: thanks for inviting me. I need a quiet night tonight. Rain check. 4. For sales and solicitations, polite but firm. No thank you. 5. Digital boundaries, email, WhatsApp, social media. Turn off notifications. Use auto-replies. Part 4. Reclaiming time and energy. After you start saying no, you get back hours. Zahariades tells you to reinvest that time intentionally. 1. Schedule white space. Put nothing on calendar. 2. Protect deep work. 2 to 3 hour blocks for your top priority. 3. Energy audit. Track what drains versus fuels you. Say no to drains. He ends with a 30-day challenge. Practice 1 no per day. Starting small. Core message. Saying no is a skill. Like a muscle, it gets easier. The goal isn't to become rude. It's to become intentional. Boundaries are how you teach people how to treat you. 3 most important lessons from the book. 1. Clarity beats willpower. You can't say no consistently if you don't know what matters. Most people fail because they decide in the moment under pressure. Zahariades says, decide your priorities before the request comes. Create a priority filter. When a request arrives, you're not deciding if you like the person. You're deciding if it fits your top 3. This removes guilt because the decision was made earlier by your values. 2. No is a complete sentence, but positive no builds relationships. You don't owe a 5-paragraph essay. No, I can't is valid. However, to preserve relationships, pair it with respect. Appreciation plus clear no plus optional alternative. Example. Thanks for thinking of me. I can't take that on. I can recommend someone who can. This way you protect your time without burning bridges. 3. Expect pushback and don't jade. The moment you say no, some people will push, guilt trip, or negotiate. That's normal. The mistake is to justify, argue, defend, explain. More words equals more holes to argue with. Use the broken record. Stay calm and repeat your no. Also reframe guilt. You're not letting people down. You're honoring commitments you already made to yourself. Boundaries create respect long-term.